Imagine waking up as the richest person on the planet. Today, we explore Bernard Arnault, the mastermind behind LVMH, the world's largest luxury goods empire. From humble beginnings in northern France to leading a global powerhouse, we uncover the strategic decisions and personal pursuits that shaped his journey. We look into the craftsmanship and innovation that built his legacy. Tune in to discover what it takes to redefine luxury on a global scale, early life and education. Bernard Arnault was born in Roubaix, France, into a family of industrialists who owned a civil engineering company. Growing up in a household that valued hard work and innovation, Arnault's early life was marked by an exposure to business and creativity. He attended the prestigious École Polytechnique, graduating with an engineering degree which laid a strong foundation for his analytical approach to business challenges. Even during his education, Arnault showed a keen interest in business and management, which was evident from his involvement in his father's company, where he proposed shifting the focus from construction to real estate. This early decision not only proved successful, but also marked the beginning of Arnault's business transformation strategies. His time at École Polytechnique not only shaped his critical thinking skills, but also prepared him for the challenges of the high-stakes world of luxury goods. Entry into the luxury goods market. Bernard Arnault's entry into the luxury goods market was a calculated move that began with his early business ventures, particularly his involvement in his father's company. After convincing his father to liquidate the construction division and invest the proceeds into real estate, Arnault gained valuable experience in managing profitable assets. This experience was crucial as he set his sights on a more ambitious arena, the luxury goods sector. In 1984, Arnault took a bold step by acquiring Financière Agache, a nearly bankrupt textile company. Through this acquisition, he secured control of Boussac, a textile empire that included the esteemed Christian Dior brand. Recognizing the intrinsic value and global appeal of Dior, Arnault meticulously restructured the company, focusing on its most profitable assets while divesting from less promising ones. This strategic overhaul not only rejuvenated Christian Dior, but also set the stage for Arnault's future success in the luxury industry. His decision to focus on high-end products reshaped his business approach, leading to the establishment of LVMH and solidifying his position as a key figure in global luxury markets. Formation of LVMH and key strategies. The formation of LVMH, a titan in the luxury goods industry, was marked by a strategic and visionary move by Bernard Arnault that would redefine the market. In 1987, Arnault found an opportunity in the luxury sector's turmoil, an ongoing feud between Moet Hennessy and Louis Vuitton. Sensing potential, Arnault acted decisively, initially buying a significant stake in LVMH and then skillfully navigating the corporate landscape to gain a controlling share. Arnault's approach to LVMH was revolutionary. He understood that the synergy between Louis Vuitton's prestigious leather goods and Moet Hennessy's celebrated wines and spirits could create a powerhouse in the luxury market. Under his leadership, LVMH was officially formed, bringing together more than 70 prestigious brands under one roof. Arnault emphasized the importance of brand autonomy within the group, allowing each house to maintain its unique identity and heritage while leveraging LVMH's resources, distribution networks, and global reach. This strategy was complemented by Arnault's commitment to innovation and excellence. He invested heavily in product quality, craftsmanship, and design, ensuring that each brand could compete at the top of its segment. Furthermore, Arnault championed a forward-thinking marketing strategy that integrated digital platforms, which broadened consumer engagement and reinforced the brand's luxury status on a global scale. Under his guidance, LVMH expanded aggressively into new markets, especially in Asia, where rising affluence was creating a new class of luxury consumers. Arnault's vision was clear: to not just participate in the luxury market, but to lead it by setting standards that others would follow. This strategic positioning, driven by Arnault's insightful leadership and sharp business acumen, ensured that LVMH would grow to become more than just a conglomerate. It became a symbol of luxury and sophistication worldwide. Expansion and acquisitions. Under Bernard Arnault's leadership, LVMH's expansion strategy was characterized by aggressive acquisitions that not only expanded the group's portfolio, but also its influence across the globe. One of the key acquisitions was TAG Heuer in 1999, a move that solidified LVMH's presence in the watchmaking sector, adding a prestigious name to its already impressive array of luxury brands. This acquisition was part of Arnault's strategy to dominate all facets of the luxury market, from fashion to fine watches. In 2011, LVMH acquired Bulgari, one of the leading Italian jewelry and luxury goods brands, significantly strengthening its position in the fine jewelry sector. This acquisition was strategic in broadening LVMH's reach in the high-end jewelry market, appealing to a more diverse clientele and enhancing its competitive edge against rivals. Another pivotal acquisition was Sephora in 1997, which transformed LVMH's presence in the retail and cosmetics industries. Sephora became a powerhouse for beauty retail, revolutionizing the way luxury beauty products were sold and marketed worldwide. The innovative, customer-centric approach of Sephora not only increased LVMH's sales but also expanded its global footprint, establishing strong market presence in North America, Europe, and Asia. These strategic acquisitions under Arnault's guidance were crucial in diversifying LVMH's portfolio and reinforcing its status as a global leader in luxury goods. Each acquisition was carefully selected to complement and enhance the existing brands, ensuring that LVMH maintained its reputation for luxury and excellence across various sectors. Leadership and innovation. Bernard Arnault's leadership style is a blend of rigorous innovation and a strong support for creative talent. He has consistently fostered a culture of excellence and creativity within LVMH, encouraging his team to push the boundaries of luxury and design. Arnault believes in the power of artistic talent and has been instrumental in nurturing the careers of numerous designers and artists. His approach to leadership involves giving creative directors within the various houses of LVMH significant creative freedom, which has proven to be a successful formula for cultivating brand identity and innovation. This support extends beyond established names. Arnault has also been keen on supporting emerging designers and artists, offering them platforms to gain visibility and commercial success. Through various initiatives and partnerships with fashion schools and art institutions, Arnault has ensured that LVMH is not just a leader in luxury goods, but also a patron of the arts and a cradle for the next generation of creative talent. Impact on the luxury industry and legacy. Bernard Arnault's influence on the luxury market and the broader fashion industry is profound and far-reaching. Under his leadership, LVMH has set benchmarks for quality, innovation, and sophistication, influencing how luxury goods are marketed and consumed worldwide. His strategic foresight has not only shaped consumer trends, but also the economic dynamics within the luxury sector, elevating the status of brands under his stewardship to iconic levels. Beyond business, Arnault has made significant contributions to philanthropy, particularly in the arts and culture sectors. His support for preserving cultural heritage and promoting artistic endeavors is evident through LVMH's sponsorship of art exhibitions, restoration projects, and the creation of the Louis Vuitton Foundation, a testament to his commitment to cultural enrichment and legacy. As we reflect on Arnault's remarkable career, consider the qualities of innovation, dedication, and a deep appreciation for art and culture that propelled him to the pinnacle of global wealth. What aspects of Arnault's journey inspire you the most? How do you see his influence shaping the future of luxury and business? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation about one of the most influential figures in the world of luxury today.